Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Oh, sorry, this has been taking me forever to try getting to look at least somewhat nice, in a way. Anyways, how are you guys doing today? I am actually really exhausted. I have been laying on the couch because all I've wanted to do is just sleep and not do anything. But then I remembered I've got some sushi. So, and no, none of it is raw. It's all cooked and very spicy. And I'm excited. My phone is ringing. Anyways, okay, well, let's just get started. I forgot what it's called. It's like, it's a Crunchy Vegas special. Yeah, and it's actually spicy. The other one's not. I was going to do this yesterday, but I started kind of feeling a little sick, so I didn't. But I'm super excited. Gonna get some soy sauce. I forgot a drink again. Even when I was setting up, I was like, grab yourself a drink. Oh, gosh dang it. Hang on. Hopefully she answers. Sorry about that. I wasn't actually expecting her to call. That would be my sister. Anyways, yeah, let's get started. I'm so sorry about all that. Okay. Let's see. I'm pretty sure I'll need more ginger. I mean, I have some right here, but I think I'll need more, so I've got this just in case. I do prefer the white ginger or yellow, whatever, more, but this one's fine. And if I need a drink, I will probably go grab one. I guess we'll see. But oh, I forgot some wasabi. Okay. Look at this. This is just one big piece of ginger. Just break it in pieces. Okay. I can't tell if this is just one piece or two, but it's kind of big. So, I don't know. I really need to get a better camera. Whoops. I need a drink. I'll be right back. I'm back. just ice water. I actually love this thing. I put ice in it last night and there's still ice in it. I know it's not as cool as the freaking coldest water bottle, but it works. Gotta get out these seeds real quick. I'm not sure if you guys could actually hear her ringtone. It's a Baby Shark one, and I only did that because she hates it. So, just put a little bit. There's nothing wrong with having lemon. See? It's delicious. I was going to have some noodles with this, but I already knew I wouldn't be able to finish it. I always think I'm super hungry, and then I turned out not being as hungry as I thought. Also, I don't usually wear red lipstick because I've always thought that I look stupid with it, but I decided to try it today, so yeah. Also, I think by next week I'm going to have a little bit of a difference to me, and I hope I don't look stupid. Gosh, all the cucumbers are falling out of it. I only have a little bit of ginger left, so I don't really like this one as much. I feel like it doesn't have, I don't know, the same, I don't know. I like the crunch of the white one. Like, I don't know. Just feels like in this one, there really isn't much of a crunch to it. And the taste is different. I like it when it's a little bit more spicy, sweet than just sweet. Like, yeah. Ooh, excuse me. Do you want some? Yeah, see, it's a good thing I didn't bring any noodles. I'm already getting full. I have 2 pieces left. Oh gosh, it's falling, it's falling. Oh no, oh no, oh gosh. Yep, look at that. That was a total fail for my last bite, wasn't it? I swear, every single video something has to be going down my shirt. Anyways. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know what to do if you did. I don't know. The button's on this side, then the other one's right here, and then there's one right there too. So, yeah. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. I guess we will see what I have next. I really don't know. I just kind of do whatever I feel like doing, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, bye!